All right, guys. So I just want to share with you guys about the mishap that I have with my Tesla. It has about 28,000 miles and got a flat tires today. So luckily, there's one tire shop nearby my house. It's called Eric Tires. It's on Ramona, and they're not sponsoring this video. I just want to bring it to you guys because they're doing it like a really affordable price, and they're in and out. So my tires, they're original tires, and I've been driving it on chill mode, and it only lasted 28,000 miles. To me, I think that's kind of too soon. You know, I'm expecting like 40,000 miles at least, right? But apparently only 28,000 miles. And I'm not an aggressive driver. First, I took my car to Firestone, and Firestone, or is it Firestone or Fire Auto? Or Fire Auto, something like that. And in West Covina, and they said, no, it's a Tesla. We're not going to plug it. We only replace it. And I took it to another one at the corner of West Covina Parkway and Sunset. And the guy goes out, take a look at it, and said the same thing. Asked me if the tires are original. They said, nope, we don't plug, we don't patch. It's because it has original foam in it or something like that. So I have no other choice but to take it to a tire shop. And after calling around a couple places, I think this one give me like the best price. And they quoted me $420 for a tire brand. It's made in Vietnam, something Royal Racing or something like that. So as far as the quality wise, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I think for $420 out the door, I think that's pretty cheap. And riding on it, I think it's smooth. And the fact that it's $420 out the door, they said they're not gonna promise any lifetime patches or nails, stuff like that. So, and I'm thinking to myself, so that's okay, that's fine, because with my original set, I didn't. I was fine until today. You know what I mean? So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna worry about it. I even asked for the original price of the one tire for the from the manufacturer, which is he said is about $350 to $370 per tire. So looking about maybe close to 1,000, a little bit more for a whole set if I want to go with the OEM one. So I was like, no, maybe not. I'm just gonna drive. I'm gonna just check on this one and see how it goes. And this place, to my surprise, it's really packed. It's people go in and out, and people from different races, you know. And the guy, the manager there, I forgot his name, but he's pretty young and he's pretty quick. He tried to get people in and out, and so far, everybody seems to be very happy with his service. All right, guys, thank you for watching.